how you doing? Good morning. Hey, real quick, we're going to do a short intro video. Say intro video. Intro video. It's fun. There's a video you're assigned to watch today, and it shows many methods or strategies to deal with negatives. All right. The math rule we call same sign rule. Okay. And then there's another one we're going to talk more about tomorrow, different sign rule. Okay. You technically already know the same sign rule, you just don't know it's a rule. Okay, so I'll explain that later in the longer video. But I just wanted to point out to you, when you're watching that video, you don't have to memorize every style. Find out which strategy makes more sense to you. Okay. So not everything makes as much sense to every single person. So I'm going to give you 6 or 7 strategies, and you pick the one that works best for you. Okay, but just real quick, in general, here's what you're going to be doing today. Okay. The same sign rule is when you have 2 numbers of the same sign. So let's say you earn $3 doing some chore or something, and then a friend gives you $4. Okay. That would be like a positive and a positive to you. And we don't usually write the positives in front of the number just by itself. Okay. So you already know that you're going to have $7. Okay. Here's where it gets tricky. Some of you already understand this. Okay. -3 minus -4. Well, it's just going from -3 more negative. It's going to be this, you just add them. The same sign rule is if they have the same signs, you just add the numbers and keep the same sign. So instead of -3 negative, it's going to be -4 or -7 negative. Okay, and it gets confusing because sometimes it's written like this. Why do they do that? Sir, is that a positive or a negative? Well, what do you want it to be? I mean, you're going to deal with a situation that's negative either way. You're either minusing, subtracting a +4, or you're adding a -4. Either way, it's the same situation. So you're going to have -7 still. And one way to visualize this, and then we're done for this little intro, is on a number line. Okay, there's 0. You just go to -3. Oh, I didn't leave a lot of. I'm going to make them really small, guys. 1, 2. Okay, here's -3. Okay, you go to a number line where it tells you to start. It's saying to start at -3. Okay, so I'm starting here. And then it's wanting me to do another -4. So you go, you bunny hop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you end up is going to be your answer. Okay, and then if you're not sure, I don't label every, I got to save time. Okay, I just put the number on there I'm working with, and then I bunny hop or count or whatever. Okay, it gets too tight, especially on the negative side, to put all those little negative numbers that it's hard to get them to fit together. So -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, that's the same sign rule. That's the main topic for today. But you're going to be dealing with negatives a lot today and tomorrow. So there you go. All right. Go through the assignments I post on the Google Classroom, and I will be on live to help in Google Meets, or a little later, I want everybody to sign on so we can do some questions. We will start class with the Google Meets to do attendance and to talk about your to-dos for the day, and then later we're going to do something together. So don't leave. Typically, people can get done and get out of my class a half hour early or something if you get everything done. But stay, because we have stuff to do. All right. Later, y'all.